Hey guys, it is Monday the 19th at around 9 p.m. Finally getting around to shipping. I actually only have one order tonight. Mondays are usually pretty slow. Again, my area is a little messy. The order is in B6, and I can actually already see it. It is right here. Oh! Sure, that was some nice camera movement. And I got a bunch of screws and chains on my shelf here. So let me turn on my light. Really get it bright in here. Ooh, let there be light. I was installing more lighting up in my garage. I want to put one more over there, so then I'll have 4 lights in here. So I've got all these like screws and brackets to hang the last one. So yeah, one more and then I'll have some really well lit areas up in here. But yeah, this is what sold. It's a lava lamp. It is from the year 2000. It is a glitter one. So it's actually, here, it's called the Wizard. You can kind of see it there. Yeah, it's got glitter in it. I lit it up and tested it, and it's actually like really cool. I can see why people like them. Oh, and it sold for $50 and $22.50 shipping. So that's pretty solid. I think I paid $5 for it. It was actually funny at this yard sale. It was next to another lava lamp that was empty. So there was an empty lava lamp and then this box. I'm pretty sure everyone who went there thought that the box was for the empty broken lava lamp. So no one, because I went late. I went at like 11 in the morning. And it was still sitting there for $5. And I can't remember if it was $5, but it was low. It was 5 or less. I might have even bundled it with something else for $5. I can't remember. But it was a very low buy price. $50 is a really big profit. So that's my only thing to ship tonight. Hopefully tomorrow we get some more sales. Thanks. Hey everyone, it's Wednesday night, I think. Who knows what day it is? Let me just double check. Yeah, that's right. It's Wednesday night. It's like 9 o'clock in the PM because it's night. And I've only got 2 orders to ship, not a bunch of sales. One of them was a buy it now, and one was actually an auction, a 7-day auction, so that's kind of cool. First item is a video game, or a video game, and it is an F6. F6. Let's see if we can't find F6. Here it is, right here. Move this out of the way, and hopefully I can just find it. Yep, Zelda Twilight Princess. This sold, it's a Wii, let's see, I don't remember if it had the manual. Yeah, it does. And this sold for $14.99. And I don't even know, yeah, free shipping. So, yeah, a little bit. I bought this. This came with a Wii I bought. I bought a Wii for testing stuff, and it had a bunch of games with it, and this was one of the games in there. Yeah, and then to the auction. I don't usually do auctions, but I thought it would be fun to try it. I had all those reel-to-reels from that big yard sale I did in Florida that I keep alluding to that I lost all the footage from. I don't want to talk about it. It's so depressing. So yeah, this is F5 is where this is. And like I said, it's more of these reel-to-reels. And I decided to go in auction with these ones. Let me pull them all out and I'll talk about it a little bit. This is it, though. These are my last... Oh, there's a little action figure there. These are my last 4 that have sold, so I am all out of them. These... Like I said, all the reel-to-reels that I bought were $40 for the whole bundle. I think it was 9 or 10 of them. These 4 did not have any markings as far as, like, manufacturer. So I didn't know who made them. They're just like plain white, you know, no perceivable markings. So I just didn't know how to even list them. Like I could have just listed them as generic. This tape is protected by attack dogs. So anyways, I bundled all 4 together and I did an auction. And that auction ended tonight. It was funny because it was at like $20 for 6 days. This morning it popped up to $40, which I was pretty happy with. And then in the last 45 seconds, the bid snipers came in and punched it up to $81 plus shipping. So I was pretty happy with that. Like I said, I paid $30 for 9 or 10 of these. These 4 generic ones sold for $80. I sold one for $40, several for $30, one for $20. So I mean, I made my money back big time on that sale. I also got that Black Sabbath LP and a bunch of other good LPs that I've been selling. So that was a great sale. I did lose the footage, so you'll never see it, but oh well, we'll get more. But yeah, so 2 items, Zelda and those reel-to-reels. Total is right around $100 for the day. So thanks, guys. Hey guys, it's Thursday night. I have one sale. Very slow day, but you know, sometimes that happens. This one sale is in F5, my most popular bin lately. Been selling everything out of F5, and it is a record. See if we can't. Here you go, Jackson Browne. What's that say? Let's for the Sky? I don't know how to read. Late for the Sky? Yeah, Late for the Sky. You know, my one sale of the day sold for $9.99. So not great, but you know, a little bread and butter sale. I'll ship it out for, let's see how much this is. $3. I'm gonna do media mail because that's what they paid for. It's actually kind of funny. They sent me a message saying, hey, you know, my son's birthday is on the 26th. Right now it's the 22nd. Can you please ship it so it'll arrive to me in California by the 26th? That happens sometimes. You know, they paid $10 and $3 shipping for media mail. Obviously, if I change it and ship it priority mail, it might get to them. But then it's coming out of my pocket, that extra $7, $8. So I'm not going to do that. I know you do kind of risk some negative feedback, but to me, it's just, I don't really want to lose money. I'm going under here to grab one of my little record boxes. These things are amazing. I really like them, and you can use them for a lot of things. You know, if I was a good YouTuber, I'd put a link in the description, but I probably won't remember. So yeah, I mean, it makes it so easy to pack it up. You just fold it over, pop your label. Oh, I shouldn't show the address. I'll make sure to cut that out if I did. But yeah, this is how I pack records. So easy peasy. That's all there is to it. It's actually kind of nice to have a 3-minute shipping night. So I'm not complaining because I've been really busy this week. Yeah, so maybe I'll do one more tomorrow and then we'll publish this. Hey guys, it's Sunday night. Gonna ship out some items. I got 10 sales since Friday, so I'm gonna ship those. Actually, I got 11. One hasn't been paid for yet, but we'll pull that as well, just so I'm ready to ship it if they do pay. All right, so the first item is in B2. Let's see, is that right behind me? It is not, so that's probably over here. B2. Here it is. So this is a, let's see if I can find it. There it is. It's a remote starter system. Bulldog Security. It's brand new. You know, new old stock. It's pretty faded, but that's sold for $39.99. Free shipping. So shipping will probably be, it's pretty heavy. Probably be $8. So fees will be $4. So $25. I don't remember what I paid for it, but it wasn't much. Yeah, so the next item would be the auction. Now this sold, but I'm not too confident the person's gonna pay because they got the high bid, I think 4 days ago. This is a 1995 NASCAR Winston Cup Hat. Got this in Florida for I think $4, and it's signed by Jeff Gordon, who won. He won that year, and I think that was his first win, something like that. It sold for $53 plus shipping, but again, they have not paid, so we're not going to ship it quite yet. But it's right there when I need to. Next is in D4. It's a DVD. See if we can't pull that out. Oh, this is my giant DVD bin, so we'll probably turn off the camera unless it's right at the top. It's not. Hold on. Alright, so I found it. It is Wwe Rebellion. Sold this DVD. It's from 2002. It's got the disc and some half-naked dude. Maybe Brock Lesnar? Is that who that is? I'm not a wrestling guy, so... yeah, maybe. Sold that for $11.40 plus shipping. It's pretty solid, I guess. Oh, and it actually sold to international customer through the global shipping program. So that's kind of interesting. Next up is a knife. I got, I think, 5 or 6 knives for $20 last weekend. And this was one of them. I don't know if I marked where I put them, though. Let me see if I can find it really quick. Yeah, it's in here. Pretty sure it's in this little baggie. Right here. Yep. Which one is it? It is a Ken Onion. Kershaw. Let's see. Ken Onion, yeah. I think this is it. I think. Yeah, that's it. So that is a Kershaw Ken Onion knife. It'll blow your mind what this sold for, by the way. This sold for $49.99 plus free shipping. So this is a $50 knife, and it's not even in great condition. Yeah, so keep your eye out for that. That's a win. Paid a couple bucks for it. Next item is a heart monitor. That's in Z6, so we'll grab that really quick. I think it's right at the top. Yeah. Got this, I think, last weekend. I think I paid $1 or $2 for it. And mind the mess, I went yard sailing on Saturday, and I've listed a bunch of the stuff, but there's still a few items I have not gotten to. So, still kind of working through that. Heart rate monitor. It sold for $16 plus shipping. Buyer paid $8 for shipping, so buyer paid $24. I think I paid $2. Oh, this is a cool one. I don't think I put this footage in. And I'd be curious if any YouTubers are watching this, what they do in this scenario, but I went to this yard sale and they were playing music, like pop music. And I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I just didn't use the footage at all. It was a cool yard sale too, but you know, what else can you do? You can't, I don't think you can put actual music into a video unless you pay like a licensing fee. So let me find this. Alright, so I found this. Like I said, I got this at a yard sale. I didn't actually use the footage because of music, but this is a duck. But it's also a phone. It's a duck phone. Now, you know, when I was buying this, the guy told me that this was a sort of famous duck phone because it was on the TV show Jersey Shore. Not this specific one, but this exact model was on Jersey Shore. And he even told me, he said it doesn't work, but I was able to look at a comp while I was at that sale, and I saw that people were buying it even if it didn't work. And I sold this for $60 plus $8 in shipping. So I sold a broken duck phone for $60. I think I paid $2 for it, something like that. So that was an awesome flip. Thank you, Jersey Shore. Let's see. Next thing is a Polly Pocket. This is going to be in my house, so I'm going to turn off the recording because I know this is upstairs in my house, and I'll bring it out to the garage. All right, so here's the Polly Pocket I sold with a bunch of little figures. Sold that for $89.99 plus shipping. Buyer paid $12 to ship it, so sold for $100. Go Polly. All right, so this next item, I don't even know, it wasn't even worth listing. It was a bunch of workout DVDs, and I'll show it to you. It's like Dance Off the Inches, Basic Step, Project U, Zumba. I had listed this, I think I had listed this for like $13 because it was a random bundle. Figured maybe someone would buy it. It wasn't selling, so I dropped it to $8, and someone offered me $6 plus shipping. So they paid $9.33. And I accepted because it's just sitting in my garage, so whatever. I guess it's something, but certainly not an exciting sale. But hey, you know, it's money for something that's sitting away and rotting away in my garage. So yeah. Okay, so this next item took me a really long time to find. because it was before I started marking my bins, so it was just in some random bin. But yeah, it's these Wiley X military goggles with like a little separate lens thing. Well, I can show you. These sold for $33.99 plus $4.60 shipping. Got these at a yard sale. I did not record because my battery was dead, but basically when I was there I got camo pants, like actually official military pants, like camo ones, some shirts, and these goggles, and another pair of glasses. I think I've sold the shirts and the pants now, made a big profit on them. Wish my camera had been working because it would have been cool to show you guys some of that. But yeah, $33.99 for those. Up next is in Z5. This is something my mom picked up and just gave to me to sell because she didn't want to mess with it. Let me grab it really quick. So yeah, this is what's sold. It's like an old massager, Swedish massager, from Sears, I think. Deluxe massager. I thought this would be worth a lot because like a cool vintage massager. You put your hand on it and then you kind of rub the person's back. Something they do at the barber a lot if you ever go to a barber shop. That sold for $17.90 and then $11 in shipping. I think my mom paid $1. Okay, up next is a set of cordless phones, AT&T, and I think they're still sitting over here because I just tested them. Yeah, right here. Well, you're gonna have to charge them. I charged them up and they worked fine, so they should be fine for the customer as well. So let me pack these up. Hold on. All right, so that cordless phone set sold for $28.50 plus $10 shipping. I think I paid $2 for that set. And then the last item was this router bit. It's not a Rockler. I thought it was when I bought it. It's an Amana tool. I bought this and a bunch of other router bits for 30 or 40 bucks. This one was the lowest valued one, and it sold for 10 bucks plus shipping. So that's pretty decent. If I paid 40 for the whole kit, the other ones were really nice, like big kits of really heavy duty router bits, so I should do well on those. But yeah, that's the last shipment for tonight. Let me get all this stuff packed out. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell, all that stuff. Okay, bye. Alright everyone, I was going to pack up these items. I haven't even started yet, and the sale came through for these Michael Jackson DVDs. Sorry about the light, super bright. But basically it's a bunch of sealed Michael Jackson DVDs. I got this in that big bundle that I paid 15 bucks for. 6 DVDs, and I believe it just sold for, hold on, let me look it up on my, here. Just sold for, so yeah, it just sold for $29.99 plus economy shipping. I probably did media mail. So yeah, 30 bucks. Okay, cool. Thanks.